Here you go.
Look at his face. I said, so cute. You better let him
Too far. Easy. Oh. I was about to whack him on his back. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
You just really want to eat, huh? It's coming, Sage.
Here you go. There you go.
Ah, look at his face, so cute. Is it sour? What? You don't like it? Does he have that face when you feed him the banana?
He's just happy.
He probably wanted more. Aww.
You want some? Or he wants you to feed him.